Hey everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to go through a simple yet essential essay, the About Myself essay. Now, this is one of the most common essays you'll ever have to write, whether it's for a school assignment, a college application, or even a scholarship essay. It sounds easy, right? After all, you're just writing about yourself. But here's the thing. Writing a great About Myself essay isn't just about listing facts. It's about presenting yourself in a way that's engaging, meaningful, and memorable. So, in this video, I'm going to break down an example of a well-written About Myself essay, explaining each section so you understand exactly what to write and why it matters. By the end, you'll be able to write your own version effortlessly. All right, let's dive in. Step 1. The introduction, who you are. The first paragraph of your essay is your introduction. It's where you introduce yourself to the reader. Here's an example. My name is James Anderson, and I am a 17-year-old high school senior from Austin, Texas. I come from a family of 5, including my parents and 2 younger siblings. I am an enthusiastic and ambitious student with a passion for literature, technology, and community service. Now, let's break this down. First, state your name. This seems obvious, but it's important. Your reader should know exactly who you are from the start. Next, mention your age and current status. In this case, James is a high school senior. Then, talk about where you're from. Adding your city or state can help personalize your introduction. Finally, give a brief overview of your personality and interests. This last part is crucial because it sets the tone for the rest of your essay. Instead of just saying, I like books and computers, James describes himself as enthusiastic and ambitious, which already makes him sound more interesting. When writing your own introduction, try to keep it short and engaging. Think of it as your way of introducing yourself in a conversation. You wouldn't give a long, boring list of facts, right? Instead, make it flow naturally and reflect your personality. Step 2. Hobbies and interests. What you love to do. Now, let's move on to the second paragraph. This is where you talk about your hobbies and passions. Here's what James wrote. From a young age, I developed a deep love for reading and writing, which eventually led me to explore creative writing and journalism. I enjoy crafting short stories, essays, and poetry that allow me to express my thoughts and emotions. Alongside my passion for literature, I have always been intrigued by technology and how it shapes our world. This interest has driven me to take advanced courses in computer science and work on small coding projects in my free time. This paragraph is effective because it shows how James discovered his interests. He didn't just say, I like reading. Instead, he explains when and why he started enjoying it. He provides specific examples. He mentions creative writing, journalism, short stories, essays, and poetry, making his interest more vivid. He connects his passion for literature with his interest in technology, showing a balance between creativity and logic. Lastly, he explains how he actively pursues these interests, such as taking advanced courses and working on coding projects. When you write about your hobbies, don't just list them. Explain why they matter to you and how they shape your life. This makes your essay more engaging and meaningful. Step 3. Academic achievements. Your hard work in school. Next, James talks about his academic dedication. Academically, I strive for excellence and continuously challenge myself by taking honors and AP courses in English, math, and science. I believe that education is a lifelong journey, and I'm always eager to expand my knowledge. My hard work and dedication have earned me a place on the honor roll, and I take great pride in maintaining a strong academic record. This paragraph highlights 3 key things. 1. His work ethic. James describes himself as someone who strives for excellence. This tells the reader that he's dedicated to learning. 2. His specific academic achievements. He mentions honors and AP courses as well as being on the honor roll. This makes his statement more credible. 3. His attitude toward learning. By saying, I believe education is a lifelong journey, James shows his curiosity and love for knowledge, which is something teachers and colleges love to see. When writing about your academics, make sure to include specific details about your achievements while also showing your enthusiasm for learning. Step 4. Extracurricular activities. What you do outside of school. James then talks about his extracurricular activities and volunteer work. Beyond academics, I am actively involved in community service and extracurricular activities. I volunteer at a local food bank every weekend, helping distribute meals to families in need. Additionally, I'm a member of my school's debate team and coding club, where I have honed my public speaking skills and learned the importance of teamwork. This is an excellent paragraph because it shows James as a well-rounded person, not just focused on academics, but also engaged in community service and school clubs. He gives specific details, mentioning the food bank, debate team, and coding club makes it more personal. He highlights the skills he gained, like public speaking and teamwork, which are valuable in any career. If you're writing about your extracurriculars, don't just list them. Instead, describe what you do and what you've learned from them. Step 5. Future goals. Where you see yourself going. Now, James talks about his future aspirations. In the future, I aspire to pursue a career in computer engineering while continuing to explore my love for writing. My goal is to develop innovative technology solutions that can positively impact society. I also hope to publish a book one day, combining my passion for storytelling with real-world experiences. This paragraph is powerful because it connects his current interests to his future career. He has clear goals, computer engineering, and publishing a book. He expresses a desire to make a positive impact, which makes him sound motivated and purposeful. When writing about your goals, be specific and show how your current interests connect to your future plans. Step 6. Conclusion. Summing it all up. Finally, James wraps it up with a strong closing. In conclusion, I consider myself a hardworking, curious, and compassionate individual who is always eager to learn and grow. I believe that my dedication to academics, passion for creativity, and commitment to helping others will guide me toward a fulfilling and successful future. This ending is short, positive, and confident. A good conclusion should sum up who you are and what you stand for. And that's how you write an About Myself essay. Whether you're writing it for school, a college application, or even a job, make sure to add personality, be specific, and write with confidence. I hope this tutorial helped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found it useful. See you in the next video. Happy writing!